Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to pay a fixed price for a project on Upwork. This is a straightforward process, so stick around until the end to make sure you'll get the details right. First things first, log into your Upwork client's account. And if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and set your payment method before you can proceed. Once logged in, go to All Contracts section from the top menu. Here you'll see the list of all your active contracts. Find the contract that you want to make a payment for and click on it. Now, inside the contract, you will see a section dedicated to milestones. These are specific deliverables or phases of the project that you and the freelancer have agreed upon. Review the milestones that is due for the payment, and before making the payment, ensure that the work is submitted by the freelancer and meets the requirements. If everything looks good, click on the Approve and Pay button next to the milestone. After clicking Approve and Pay, a confirmation window will pop up, and here you will see the amount to be paid. If you're using a credit card or PayPal, ensure your payment method is correct. Once confirmed, click Release Funds. After payment, Upwork will prompt you to leave feedback for the freelancer. Although this is optional, it's a good practice to leave a constructive feedback to help build the freelancer's profile. And that's it. You have successfully paid a fixed price on Upwork. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment below and like this video. And subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.